SuperSprings presents SumoSprings, the world's first load-assisted airless airbag suspension system for cars, trucks, vans, and RVs. SumoSprings transform your vehicle's load-carrying ability, designed specifically to meet the market demand for a zero-maintenance suspension support solution. No more drudgery of pumping up airbags to improve suspension and achieve a level load. SumoSprings are a groundbreaking fit-it-and-forget-it solution that requires zero maintenance or adjustment once installed. SumoSprings solves the problem associated with all airbag suspension systems on the market. Our customers wanted an airbag system that didn't require continual adjustment and maintenance. SumoSprings are literally fit-it-and-forget-it because the progressive spring rate on SumoSprings adjusts automatically. SumoSprings are manufactured from a highly durable closed-cell micro-cellular polyurethane. This high-tech material's shock-dampening properties produce a smoother, more comfortable ride, especially when your vehicle is under heavy load. Incredibly durable, SumoSprings eliminate the frustrations of leaks or punctures that are so common in conventional airbags. With no airlines or compressor required, there is almost zero possibility of a SumoSprings failure. The closed-cell micro-cellular urethane won't rupture and can even be punctured without causing any loss in performance. The durability of SumoSprings is in stark contrast to conventional airbags, which require regular maintenance and are more prone to failure because of air leaks. SumoSprings are designed and manufactured to handle the tough vehicle underbody environment, withstanding extreme conditions including blistering heat or freezing cold. SumoSprings performance is unchanged within a -22 to 220 degree Fahrenheit range. Tough and long-wearing, SumoSprings are virtually indestructible and will resist corrosion even in the challenging off-road environment of mud, dust, or extreme heat and cold. SumoSprings handle it all. SuperSprings International offers 3 types of SumoSprings suspensions depending on your vehicle type. The full kit SumoSpring. With these kits, the SumoSpring has top and bottom bracket attachments similar to a conventional airbag system. The top bracket attaches to your vehicle's chassis frame, and the bottom bracket attaches to the axle or spring pack. The joint SumoSprings. These kits generally replace the factory bump stop, have a single top or bottom attachment point, and only work when engaged. The joint SumoSpring introduces suspension to the bump stop assembly. The coil SumoSprings. These kits position a micro-cellular urethane H profile into a coil spring, which assists in enhancing its load-carrying ability. The coil SumoSpring absorbs road vibration and improves stability. They're ideal on the front of a pickup carrying a snowplow or the rear of a family passenger van towing a trailer. The performance of SumoSprings is matched by their ease of installation. Generally, a bolt-on or push-in type unit allows for a quick, simple installation with no drilling required. Additionally, SuperSprings International has designed some SumoSprings to also fit most competitors' existing airbag bracket systems with very little or no modification required. SumoSprings is the simple fit-it-and-forget-it solution to the airbag problem, giving you freedom from frustrating air leaks and continual maintenance. SumoSprings have been extensively tested throughout the USA over a 3-year period to ensure maximum performance in the harshest environments imaginable. Whether you're towing a trailer, carrying a truck camper, or you're a contractor looking for a safe load-carrying solution, SumoSprings is the simple choice for the best ride. For more information on the exciting and innovative SumoSprings line for your vehicle, please call 1-800-898-0705 or visit our website, www.supersprings.com.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon Quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.